Fatma Faisal and I am from class 20. Today I am going to tell you about this. I wrote by my own self. Now I am telling you the topic. Do that you want. Now first we are starting from dad. He is my dad. His name is Faisal Jaleel. He is 73. He is 37 years old. He loves me. He buys things for me. Now, the second number is mom. She is my mom. Her name is Rahila Faisal. She is 30 years old. She loves me. She is 30 years old. She loves me. She buys toys for me. He is my brother. His name is Muhammad Usman. He is 4 years old. Now the next turn is me. This is me. My name is Fatma Faisal. I'm 6 years old. I love my mom, dad, and my brothers. Now I'm going to tell you about my little small cute brother, mashallah. He is my brother. His name is Muhammad Yusuf. He is 8 months old. Now I'm going to tell you about my whole family. I love my whole family members. Dad, mom, Muhammad Yusuf, Muhammad Usman. I love them all. Now it's drawing. Look, there is a sun, beautiful birds, two twin queens, in a beach. There is much water. Now I'm going to tell you about my best family. Mean your best family. Who is your best family? Do you know? So now I'm going to tell you who is my best family. My dad, my little brother Muhammad Yusuf, my little brother Muhammad Usman, me and my mother. I love them all. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.